Alright guys, if you're newer to content creation like I am, you might not know some things like uploading videos on YouTube. So in this how-to, that's what we're going to cover. My name is Christopher, and let's get to it. I'm going to start off first by going to youtube.com. And in the upper right hand corner you'll see your little profile picture. We'll come down to your channel, manage videos, click create and upload videos. You can either go drag and drop. I choose the select file usually, and then we go to the video that we want to upload, and in this case it's going to be another gameplay video. Click open, and as it starts opening, I cheat. I type all this stuff out beforehand. Our titles, the more information the better usually. A little bit of a description about the video, like enjoying the first playthrough, trying to increase the search engine optimization so when people search for things they'll know what's pulling up. And also I add in some affiliate links in my social medias just so people can find me. Twitch, Twitter, Instagram, Discord. Upload your thumbnail, because that's really important. People don't like to just see a blank video. Free-for-all montage. I also want to thank Elaine for editing these videos. She's been doing it for days now. If you can't tell, I've uploaded a ton over the last few days. Also, you have to go through and is it appropriate for kids? Isn't it appropriate for kids? And if you haven't ever checked the age restriction, read it. It does give you a lot of helpful information. We also have to come in here and insert all our tags. And I also cheat on them. I have them saved. And then we'll click next, and then next again, make it public. Have to remember that step, and then click publish. And as soon as it's done uploading, or you can go ahead and close this out, and you'll see it's pending. I appreciate you all for stopping by. Come back and check out our other videos, and always remember to hit that like button, subscribe, hit the bell notification so you can stay up to date when we upload new videos. Thank you.